So, going to Paradise Cave, taking a taxi. So I guess I was wrong. I said it was planes, trains, but not automobiles. So it was buses. So it's planes, trains, buses, and automobiles in order to get here. So Paradise Cave is, we were in Phong Nha area. We're not going to be going to Phong Nha Cave. We're just going to go to Paradise Cave. I think it's a bigger cave inside. This one you don't go to by water, you go to by vehicle. And at the entrance, and then there's a lot of walking. So, thankfully, we have a cab who's going to wait for us. And we'll come back. And then we'll head back to Dong Hoi. And then we'll head to Hoi. And then we'll go to Ho Chi Minh City. Alrighty. So the countryside here, a lot of nice mountains. A lot of these caves were only found about 2,000. I guess the really expensive one that's like $3,000 by Oxalis, which obviously we're not going to go to. It's like $3,000, and maybe it was found in like 5 years ago or something like that.
1990.
The expensive one?
It was discovered in 1991.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, the expedition started maybe later.
Alright. Anyway, it's very expensive, and that one I think you need to know, like be able to do some physical activity, which just walking for me a long distance is enough physical activity. Since I'm not feeling the best in the world. We've already walked about 1.5 miles to get to the bus station. That was fun finding that in Dong Hoi. Some really nice mountains.
That's where you go from?
Apparently. It's a very narrow road we're taking. It's really beautiful. Let's stop it and start it again.